This question says solve the exponential equation 2.65 to the x equals square root 7 to the 1 minus 4x. So in this question, we can't use relating the bases to make our bases the same on both sides. So what we're going to do is take the log of both sides. So let me write the original question. 2.65 to the x equals square root 7 to the 1 minus 4x. I'm going to take the log of both sides, that's natural log of 2.65 to the x, natural log of square root 7 to the 1 minus 4x. And now because we've introduced the log into our equation, we can use the power rule. The power rule allows us to take these powers in front of the log, and it takes the variable out of the exponent. So using the power rule, we get x times natural log of 2.65 equals 1 minus 4x times natural log square root 7. Then on the right side, I'm going to use the distributive property. I'm going to take this natural log square root of 7 and distribute it to each term. That gives me x natural log 2x plus x times natural log of 2.65 equals natural log square root 7 minus 4x natural log square root 7. So now I notice that I've got an x in this term and an x in this term. In order to get x by itself, I need to have all the x's together first. So I want to move this term negative 4x natural log square root 7 to the other side of the equation. So I'm adding that to both sides. So it'll cancel out from the right-hand side. So it cancels out from the right-hand side. The only thing left on the right will be natural log square root of 7. And on the left, these are not like terms, so I'm not able to combine them together. So I'm just going to write it down. X natural log of 2.65 plus 4x natural log square root 7. Now that I've got the x's on the same side, I'm going to factor that x out. So now I have natural log of 2.65 plus 4 natural log square root of 7 equals natural log square root of x. And now that I have x by itself, I'm able to divide both sides by what's in the brackets. So I have x times what's in the brackets, natural log 2.65 plus 4 natural log square root 7 equals natural log square root 7. I'm going to divide both sides by natural log 2.65 plus 4 natural log square root 7, doing the same thing on both sides. And I get x equals natural log square root 7 over natural log 2.65 plus 4 natural log square root 7. Now my directions here say to round to 4 decimal places. So let me get my calculator and try to type this out. So I'm going to type natural log square root 7 divided by, I need parentheses around my denominator, natural log of 2.65 plus 4 natural log square root 7 close parentheses. Well, let me delete that. I want to move my arrow. Oops. Let's delete. Move my arrow to close parentheses for the log, and close my parentheses for the denominator. And I have approximately negative 0.6094 if I round to 4 decimal places. So that would be my answer for that question.